morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Today I'm going to talk about what mouse you should use as a 3D modeler. Well, if you don't know this mouse, your modeling will be painful because you're going to do this. This is normal mouse, and for aiming the models, you're gonna use scroll, zoom in, out, and you will do like this: zoom, 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 many times. Especially more complex is the model, is made more time. Then this 3 mouse that's sharing one very unique feature that's called something like freescrolling wheel. So when you do this, you point the mouse to the place you want to zoom in, you just roll. You see how fast you zoom? I just roll, right? You can zoom out in a matter of seconds, right? Then just moving the fingers like this, rolling this and that. So before I knowing this is the latest one, I just get it today, so I don't have time to review it yet. I will use it for a few days and try. This is called Naga V2 Hyperspeed. My last favorite is this one, G604. The freescrolling wheel is awesome. And after I use this, I just can't go back to the normal mouse to do the modeling. Of course, this one is a totally different story. 3Dconnexion is stopped production anymore. They have a wireless version, and super expensive, crazy. But this one can do a lot of zoom in, panning, a very smooth movement. Can keep going like flying drone, going inside the that, right? This is what this 3D mouse can do, like 6 axis or whatever axis there. For this small one, it's just share the free scrolling wheel, and I like this because it's small and easy to bring. I just put it in the bag, normally laptop bag. Every time I go out, I will just use this in coffee shop, right? For short-term working, it's not going to work for a long time. But you see, I have so many mouse already. Why I still keep this? Logitech G304, one of the most, I think, is cheapest in my series. This is the cheapest one, and wireless, not fancy, lightweight, with back and forth buttons, a little adjust DPI. I still have this on my table because I'm a Dota gamer. I like to use this to play Dota. Those buttons is not for Dota, but I like the buttons. I utilize all the feature of this 6 button already. This one I'm just setting out, but now it's my keypad. I can use it for type number. But why I do that? Well, I don't have keypad on my laptop. I mean, on my this keyboard. Even though the magnetic keyboard for this computer is also don't have. Yeah, but it can do a lot more as well. I will try to set up and try use on that. I will share maybe next future if anyone interested. Well, what kind of mouse sharing this share the super fast scrolling wheel? If you know there's some else, you can let me know. I would like to test out all these series only with this function available. Other fancy mouse, I'm not interested. Okay.